What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to draw Lewis structure for NO+. So I start again with total valence electrons. N is 5, oxygen is 6, and we have +1 here, so it's gonna make it -1. So which makes it 10 electrons. And then if you have 1, the rest of it is going to be 8. So that means that we cannot have 4 in here because we have 5 and here is 6. We lost 1 electrons already, so we need to have triple bonds. 1 lone pair here, 1 lone pair here, and a plus here. Now we check the octet rule now. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's the Lewis structure of NO+. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.